Did you know that the health of your gut is affecting your mood? Recent scientific studies have shown a surprising connection between our gut and our mental well-being. This connection becomes particularly important when it comes to social anxiety. Now, the human gut is made up of trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, and fungi, and these are collectively known as the gut microbiome. Now, the organisms live in harmony within our bodies, and they line our gut all the way from our mouths to our bottoms. They play a crucial role in supporting our overall health and well-being, and they're important in things like digestion, metabolism, and immune system function. We've known about the gut microbiome for hundreds of years, if not more. We've seen the use of this knowledge in things like traditional Chinese medicine and in ancient Greece, where the use of milk products were used to remedy problems with the gut. In the 18th and 19th century, people started looking at this connection in a more structured way, believing that problems in the mind were caused by the gut. But in the 20th century, physicians and scientists thought the opposite, thinking that it was the mind that caused problems with the gut. Through modern scientific research, though, in the 21st century, we now know that there is a link between the brain and the gut. Let's dive in to find out more. Emerging evidence suggests that the gut microbiome can have a profound impact on mental health and behavior, including anxiety-related disorders. Normally, the gut microbiome is in a delicate balance. We know that anything that we do to our bodies on the outside will impact the balance of the gut microbiome on the inside. For example, where we live, the food we eat, the medications we take, how much exercise we do, and how much sleep we have. But when this delicate balance is disrupted, it can have a profound impact on our mood and our mental health. What's even more fascinating is the link between our gut and social anxiety. Studies have shown that people with social anxiety disorder have different gut microbiome compositions compared to those without the condition. Now, social anxiety disorder is a common mental health condition characterized by an intense fear of being judged negatively and experiencing negative social interactions. It can have a significant impact on an individual's quality of life, leading to avoidance of certain social situations and even having physical symptoms such as a rapid heartbeat and sweating. So, how exactly do gut microbiomes influence social anxiety disorder? Well, different types of gut microbiomes influence different mood regulations in humans through 4 important ways. Number 1, brain signaling chemicals, or neurotransmitters. Some gut microbiomes have the ability to make these neurotransmitters, or brain signaling chemicals, such as serotonin and dopamine, which are known to regulate our mood. These can directly impact the brain and influence mood and behavior. Number 2, inflammation and immune function. Gut microbes can also influence mood through their effect on inflammation and immune function. Now, an imbalance in your gut microbiome has been linked to increased inflammation, which can in turn have a negative impact on our mood and cognition. Number 3, gut-brain communication. The gut and the brain are connected through what's called the gut-brain axis. This is a two-way street of communication between the brain and the nervous system and the gut microbiome. Now, gut microbes can influence this communication through the signals that they make, which can in turn affect mood and behavior. Number 4, use of nutrients in the body. Gut microbes play a crucial role in how nutrients we eat from food are broken down and used in the body, like short-chain fatty acids, which are made from dietary fiber. Now, these breakdown products can influence brain function and mood regulation. So how can we improve our gut health and potentially support our mental well-being? Well, a healthy diet rich in fruits, vegetables and fermented foods can promote the growth of beneficial gut microbiomes. Reducing stress levels and getting enough sleep are also important, as stress and a lack of sleep can negatively impact our gut microbiome. Understanding the link between the gut microbiome and social anxiety disorder has significant implications for the development of new treatment areas. For instance, researchers are exploring the potential use of probiotics or live gut microbes with health benefits as a possible treatment approach for people with social anxiety disorder. Now, of course, more research is needed in this area, but it does seem that the gut microbiome can influence the signals to our brain that are involved in anxiety and fear. This means that by taking care of our gut health, we can potentially reduce the symptoms of social anxiety. Now, it's important to note that while dietary and gut health interventions may complement traditional treatment options for social anxiety disorder, they should not be seen as a replacement or substitute for professional medical advice. If you're considering making changes to your diet or gut health in an effort to manage your social anxiety symptoms, it's recommended that you consult with a healthcare professional to determine the most appropriate course of action for your individual needs. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. Be sure to subscribe, share, and comment.